dears, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela, and today's day one of my One Palette for a Week series. Every month at the end of the month, I like to do this thing where I take an eyeshadow palette from my collection and use it for 5 days and come up with 5 different looks for you guys. I've always had fun doing this series. I've been doing it now for a year, and I don't think I'm going to stop anytime soon. Okay. As always, I like to state that this was inspired by My Eyeshadow is Odd. She used to put out a series called One Palette for a Week. She doesn't post anymore on her channel. She does a totally different thing now on a different channel. But nonetheless, I always want to give her the credit because that's where I got the idea from. So yeah. So for this week, I will be using the Dream Street palette. This is a collaboration between KathleenLights and Colourpop, but you already know that because this is not a new palette. However, it is new to me. I liked this palette when I saw it, but my sister kind of talked me out of it because she told me I would never use the blues or this crazy red here, and it's kind of true. I'm not gravitated towards those colors, and I think that's the reason why I didn't care for this palette. Shout out to my friend Giselle because she was the one who convinced me to buy this palette, and she even said girls, you're gonna use every shade. I promise you that you're gonna love every single shade in this palette. And I haven't used every single shade in this palette, I'll be honest, but the ones that I have used, I've just been so happy with that I love using this every day. And I've been using it every day since I bought it, and that was at the beginning of this month. So I've been having a lot of fun with this palette so far, but I am excited to create more looks that vary in color for you guys this week. So I don't have any more babbling about that, so let's just get right into this. Yes.
Making with jive, boy, shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I bet the angels just walk by.
And that's all I've got for you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed day 1 of my one palette for a week series. I am so excited to dive into this palette, you guys. Like, I don't like those greens in there, but I'm actually kind of excited to try the greens, and I can't wait to create a beautiful, like, beautiful green look using this. If you're curious on my lips, I actually am not wearing anything, but I am gonna put on a little bit of this. This is one of those new Physician formula like lip balms or whatever. This is in the shade Brazilian Nut. Such a beautiful color, and I think it complements this look really, really well. So, yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I hope that you guys are excited for day 2. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.